In today's industrial landscape, operations demand more than just visibility. They require control, speed, and foresight. That's where AVEVA Plant SCADA excels, enabling smarter, real-time industrial performance. AVEVA Plant SCADA is a modern platform for monitoring and controlling processes with accuracy and ease, giving operators a clear view of what matters most. From utilities and energy to manufacturing and F&B, AVEVA Plant SCADA powers critical operations across diverse industries. Operators monitor KPIs, sensor data, and alarms from a central platform, acting quickly and precisely using contextual data and smart alerts. Designed for mission-critical use, it ensures uptime with redundancy, security through role-based access, and seamless system integration. With support for mobile, cloud, and next-gen tech, AVEVA Plant SCADA helps industries adapt and thrive in the era of Industry 4.0. Take your operations further with the control, confidence, and continuity only AVEVA Plant SCADA can offer. Don't forget to discover our CTI Resources website for more information.